Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Bentley Blonde. I'm really excited to see you guys. I feel like it's been forever. I hope everyone's had a really great start to the new year. I feel like I have been so busy pretty much since before Thanksgiving, so oh my gosh, I apologize for not being here as often as I'd like to be. So today I have a really special video. I've partnered with Fabfitfun to show you guys their editor's box, which is a special limited edition box for new members. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Fabfitfun. It is the only box that I am subscribed to. It is seasonal, so it comes out 4 times a year, spring, summer, fall, and winter. And it always has amazing full-size beauty products, lifestyle products, wellness, fashion, anything that your little heart could hope for. So it's always a really great versatile box. So the editor's box looks like this, and I'm going to be digging in and sharing with you guys what is inside. It's a good one. I've kind of already taken a peek. So in every box, you will receive a Fabfitfun newsletter. In the editor's box, it's pretty much welcoming you to Fabfitfun, since this will be your first box. So also inside, you have a referral card to refer your friends, get them a discount. Also a card telling you what's in the box with the retail price and how to use everything. So the very first item I see in the editor's box is my favorite from Mercy & Co. This is their cozy wrap. Literally the world's coziest scarf, and you're going to receive this in gray or blush. Mine is in gray. And oh my gosh, you guys, I already own this, so I know that it is incredibly soft and so amazing and huge. So as you can see, this is definitely a full-size scarf. It is ombre. It goes from a really nice charcoaly gray to an almost light gray white at the bottom. Really great tassel and fringe. This scarf retails for $98, so definitely a really nice high-end piece. As you guys can see, this scarf is incredibly wide, so you can definitely wear it as like a little mini shawl. It's super cozy, so warm, so great to take with you to the game, going to the mall, going shopping, out with girlfriends. It's really going to keep you warm. Oh my gosh, it has been so incredibly cold here on the East Coast, so I have been just wrapped up in a ton of scarves over the past few weeks. This one, definitely one of my favorites, really chic. So that is the Mercy & Co. scarf that you'll be receiving. So next up in the editor's box, you'll be receiving your jewelry choice. This is the Summer and Rose bar chain earrings in rose gold. Love the rose gold color of these earrings. It's really gonna go with everything. So let me just try these on for you guys, because I think it's kind of easier to get an idea of what they look like actually in my ears. So I love that these earrings are really simple yet chic. Great for an everyday look, just to go to the mall, but you could also wear them for an evening out. Really versatile. So these Summer and Rose bar chain earrings retail for $38, and this is what they look like. They have a little rose gold bar that runs along your ear, horizontal, and then a nice long chain with another gold bar at the bottom. I like these. These are really fun. I don't have anything like that. Next, you will be receiving from Wish Beauty. This is their Rosehip and Lotus Nourishing Dew Mask. This is an intense treatment that will provide you with visibly improved hydration. Hallelujah! My gosh, skin is so dry this time of year, so anything that's going to boost my skin's moisture is definitely going to be in my arsenal, so I'm excited to try this tonight. This is going to not only boost your skin's moisture, but also reduce the appearance of fine lines and the appearance of inflammation, all of which I currently have because I am so dry, you guys. Winter is killing me this year. So a really nice full-size bottle. The Wish Beauty Dew Mask retails for $54, so another really nice high-end beauty product for you guys. Next up, we have the Makeup Drop Original Silicone Makeup Applicator. And I've actually used Makeup Drop before, and it's really awesome. It does apply your makeup nice and smooth. You use all of your foundation. It doesn't get soaked up into a sponge, which is nice. So you do get a full-size Makeup Drop. This retails for $20. The other thing that I really like about Makeup Drop is that it's super easy to clean. You just rinse it off with soap and water, whereas a sponge is a little more difficult. I kind of worry a little more about bacteria, that kind of thing. So loving that. Next item is a private party gym bag. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. I don't know about you guys, but every year I go into like a crazy fitness kick this time of year. I don't know, call it resolutions or what have you. But I'm really wanting to get back in shape after baby. So now that Colton's a little bit older, I think I can have some more time to myself to work out. So I'm really excited to get back in shape. So this private party gym bag retails for $59. And it's really cute. It has canvas straps, it's a denim bag, and this one says gym and juice. But I know that they all have different cute little sayings. So a really nice little gym bag. It does have the zipper closure. So love that, really adorable. Next item in the bag is from Sponjali. This is their Bulgarian Rose Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. I love Sponjali, really great brand. This body buffer retails for $16. I always have one of these buffers in my shower because not only do they exfoliate and moisturize, but they smell friggin' amazing. Oh my God, I love the scent of this one. Rose is definitely my favorite. These are just really great, you guys. If you haven't checked out Sponjali, definitely recommend it. So you do get a full-size body buffer in your editor's box, which is awesome. So next up in the editor's box is from Real Her. This is their Playbook Eyeshadow Palette in Do Your Squats. Thank you for the reminder, Real Her. I definitely do need to go do some squats after I'm done filming. Uh-oh, we gotta tear into this bad boy. Y'all, I cannot get this thing open. We're gonna have to bust out the big guns, you guys. Doesn't everybody just have a little pocket knife sitting on their makeup vanity? All right, so we got her open. Let's take a look at these pretty eyeshadows. So you can see full-size eyeshadow palette. You have 9 really beautiful neutral shades. Yes, you know I love my neutrals, so these are perfect. Everything from really nice smoky mattes to beautiful glittery metallic shimmers. Definitely wearable both for daytime and nighttime. Really nice. Whoa, super pigmented. Really nice. Look at that shimmer metallic. Wow. Bodacious. I like the names too. Really cute. So this seems like a really amazing palette, you guys. I'm super excited to use that. So you will be receiving that eyeshadow palette. So the final item in my editor's box is probably what I have been smelling. These smell amazing. These are the Way of Will Muscle Soak Bath Salts. And oh my gosh, you guys, they smell so, so good. Wow, super strong, and hopefully you guys can see it's like real pink Himalayan salt. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is really great for soaking and relaxing. It's going to soothe sore muscles and take away anxiety and stress. Oh my gosh, definitely in need of this. You guys, I have a freaking 2-year-old, so I need all of the anxiety and stress relievers I can get. And this is also going to be really great for post-workout. So really excited about these Way of Will bath salts. So that is everything that I got in my editor's box. These boxes are customizable, so you can pick out different selections. For example, there's 2 different fashion choices, 2 different jewelry choices. So you can customize your box now, which is really great. I love personalized subscription services. So definitely check out Fabfitfun. I do have a $10 off coupon code for you guys, so be sure to check that out in the description box below this video. Follow the link over to Fabfitfun and sign up to get your editor's box. You guys are gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you are subscribed to Fabfitfun and what your favorite box was. I'd be really interested to hear. So I hope everyone's having a great January, and until next time, guys, bye.